Hey guys, Jamie here at Thor Offroad. As you guys know, we're a big Carli shop. We push Carli really hard because we believe in their products. And today I'm going to show you a little truck. Pretty cool, 5.5 inch King Pintop. Man, these kits really ride awesome. If you're looking for ride quality, you're looking for a truck that is going to just give you the ultimate of all the best worlds, this truck is it for you. Cool thing about this truck is that it was built to really be multi-purpose. So not only does it have a lot of wheel travel, the King shocks, torsion sway bar, but it's also got the long travel rear airbags. And that is a really cool product that Carli put out years ago. Whenever guys like us who want trucks that ride awesome, but we also want to be able to tow, we also want to be able to maintain payload. This truck is equipped with a set of long travel airbags. We can actually have a truck that rides great. We can have a truck that actually works too. So a lot of us have fifth wheels or campers or toy haulers. I mean, if we're putting Carli Suspension on our Super Duty, we probably have something else fun too. You're not going to be giving up any up or down travel that you would get from a conventional airbag system. So check out the video. We want you to watch our YouTube page because we're going to be putting a bunch of videos up about all the jobs that we do, all the projects that we have, the products that we're putting on these trucks, and why we think they're great for something that you might want to do with that truck. Here at Thor Offroad, everything is purpose-built. You tell us what you want to do with that truck, and that's what you're going to get. Thor Offroad, you know where to get the good stuff.